In this video you will learn how to connect your HP LaserJet P1102 printer to your laptop, unbox and set up the printer, plug in the power cord and turn on your printer, then load paper into the tray, connect your printer to your laptop, use a USB cable to connect the HP LaserJet printer directly to your laptop, install the printer driver. If the drive does not come installed automatically, download it from the HP official website. Run the driver installation, follow your on-screen instructions to install the software and set up your printer correctly. Add the printer into the system settings, go to your laptop's printer and scanner section, or on Mac the printer and fax to confirm it is added. Printer test page, printer sample page to confirm your HP LaserJet P1102 is properly connected and working. Now you know how to connect a HP Laser printer to your laptop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.